This video tutorial is about how to convert an Excel file into PDF conveniently, directly in Excel, so that you wouldn't need to install any new software on your computer. You can conveniently convert your data into a PDF file directly in Excel. First, we need to access the File menu located on the horizontal bar at the top of the screen. So, click on File and select Export. Then click on the button Create PDF XPS. Here, you will get asked where you want to save the PDF file you are about to create. Choose a location on your computer, amend the file name as needed. Click on OK Publish and we are there. Here is your PDF file.